Dating anxiety can be a real challenge for many people, preventing them from forming healthy connections. In this video, we will explore effective strategies to overcome dating anxiety and build strong and meaningful relationships. Dating anxiety is a common experience characterized by feelings of unease, nervousness, and fear in dating situations. It can stem from various factors such as past negative experiences, fear of rejection, or lack of self-confidence. One effective way to overcome dating anxiety is by challenging negative thoughts. Recognize that your fears and doubts may not always be rational or accurate. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations and focus on your strengths. Taking care of yourself is crucial when dealing with dating anxiety. Prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, getting enough sleep, and engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. Remember to be kind and compassionate to yourself. Don't hesitate to reach out for support when needed. Talk to trusted friends, family members, or even a therapist who can provide guidance and help you navigate through your dating anxiety. You are not alone. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay present and reduce anxiety in dating situations. Focus on the current moment. Observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, and engage in deep breathing exercises to calm your nerves. Overcoming dating anxiety is a gradual process. Start by taking small steps and gradually expose yourself to dating situations. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and remember that each experience is an opportunity for growth. By implementing these strategies, you can overcome dating anxiety and build healthy connections. Remember, it's okay to feel nervous, but don't let anxiety hold you back from pursuing meaningful relationships.